Hey everybody, welcome back to Inspired Dishes. Today I will be making corned beef and hash and cabbage. Now, what got me on to this was a few years ago when I was at a friend's house and she made this and I was like, oh wow, this is good. So I seen a lot of people do this recipe, but they do it with the regular corned beef. They don't do it with the hash. But yeah, I do it with the hash because that's the way I like it. Now this right here, I didn't feel like cutting no cabbage. If y'all want to, y'all can do so. But yeah, I don't got time for all that. So yeah, I just got the bag of coleslaw mix and I will be using that. Now this is the ketchup I have, the sugar free. You can use regular ketchup. I'm gonna use that inside of my corned beef hash. That's what she also used. However, I want to add a little bit. It's not gonna make it hot at all. And that's the seasoning. It's the complete seasoning as well as a little salt. Okay, so what we're gonna do is pour some. You don't have to pour all, but it just pretty much depends on how many people you're trying to feed. So yeah, the bag of coleslaw mix, or if you cut your own cabbage, you can go ahead. Now it comes with that purple cabbage. Now I took some of that out. I didn't take all of it out, cause yeah, but I did take off most of it. So yeah, I'm pretty much gonna stir that around. I'm gonna be adding in about a teaspoon of salt and also about a teaspoon of the seasoning, complete seasoning. And then make sure you taste it. If it's not salty enough for you, you can go ahead and add more. But yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna be using for that, and just stir it up. Now with my vegetables, I like it kind of salty. I don't like it too crunchy. Now I still had a little crunch after about 5 to 8 minutes. But if you want yours a little bit, less crunchy, you can do it longer. But if you do want yours crunchier, you can cook it, lesser. It's up to you. Okay, so after that's finished cooking, I'm gonna move that to the side, like hibachi, like you doing hibachi. How you pull it to the side, where it's cooler at, the part that's already cooked. Okay, yep. I'm just gonna pull that cabbage over to the side, and I'm gonna add in my corned beef hash out to the part where it's a little heated. Then I'll show you what I do next. Okay, now if I did not tell you, I have my stove on like number 6 medium high for the cabbage as well as for this hash brown. I mean corned beef hash, y'all. So yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna use a spoon to like spread it evenly and then let that cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. And it's already salty, so yeah, you don't gotta add no salt or anything because it's already salty enough. And then I'll let you know what I do next. Okay, now after about 3 to 4 minutes, you want to add in your ketchup. It just depends on how much corned beef hash you're making. That's probably about 2 tablespoons, probably. And then you don't want to put as much hot sauce. I'll probably put like a teaspoon of hot sauce. And just go ahead and stir that around. And like I said, since it doesn't have any sugar in it, it's sugar-free ketchup. I thought it was gonna taste a little different, but it actually still tasted pretty good. But if you want to use regular ketchup, you can do so as well. So yeah, just go ahead and stir that in. All right, now that's done. Finished cooking. Only warmed. It's already cooked, but I already warmed it up for about 5 minutes. So now you just wanna incorporate the corned beef hash and the cabbage. I pretty much tried to put the corned beef on top of it. I think that's how I had it before when I tasted it, but I'm like, yeah, this ain't working out too good. So yeah, I'm just pretty much gonna mix it all together, and then I'll plate it up, and then I'll let y'all know how it tastes. Okay, now I ate it on the side of some attempted yellow rice that I made. I made that out of brown rice. Yeah, yeah, yesterday yellow color. If you want to see a recipe to that, I'll probably be doing one eventually, but let me know in my comment section. If I don't make it before y'all hit me up in my comments. But yeah, I tasted that the corned beef and the cabbage. It was so good. Now, usually I will go all out as far as like cooking it with my sauteed onions and bell peppers, and even in my cabbage I like to use bacon. However, yeah, I didn't have no onions. I think I had the bell peppers, but I didn't feel like cutting it up. And then with the bacon, yeah, it wasn't defrosted, so I was like, yeah. But this shit was good, y'all. It still was on point. So please try this recipe, y'all. Just try this corned beef and cabbage. You feel me? I see a lot of people, like I said, eat the just the regular corned beef and cabbage. No, eat the corned beef and hash. It's good, y'all. Hash. But yeah, that's pretty much all I had to say today. Make sure you like, make sure you share, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day.